What is up, everybody? My name is JellyMelon97, and today we're going to be doing another Reading Your Comments. I haven't done a Reading Your Comments in a long time. Holy crap. How can you drink a drink, but not food a food? Are you quit FNAF? Yes, I will not be doing any more FNAF speed edits anymore, probably. How do I send fan art?
This is Sparta!
Gay. I am so thrilled that you chose to come out of the closet on my channel. Proud of you, chum. Dye your hair green.
What the f-
I like trains. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a like. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye!